Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. If you are not new here, then it's just welcome back. My name is Kelsi, and I have lost 115 pounds with the help of my tool, the gastric sleeve. It's my hope that through my videos you're able to find the answers to questions you've been looking for, or the path to choosing surgical weight loss is made that much easier. Good morning, you guys. As you can tell from the title, we are going to be doing an Eat With Me video. I felt like it was high time. It's time. It's probably one of the most requested video content idea things that I get. People want to know what I'm eating. I'm almost I'm a year and a half out, and life is pretty much resumed as normal for me. You know, I think that at everyone's journey, at some point in everyone's journey, we're like, are we ever going to be able to be normal again? Are we ever going to be able to eat normal again? Not saying that I eat normal portions, but I pretty much eat what I want to, within reason. So I figured I would bring you guys along with me and show you what I eat. Everything that I eat in a day. It has changed quite drastically not drastically, but I would say that it's broadened. My eating has broadened, because there really aren't many restrictions at this point, because my body has become a little more tolerable of food again. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm eating at 1 year and some change post-op. This will probably be the last time you see me. You guys know how I do these videos, so I want to go ahead and plug in here. If you are not and you would like to be, please make sure to join my family. Hit that subscribe button. I would, number one, love to have you here. Number two, you would get some good content. I mean, who doesn't want good content, huh? And at number two, head on over to Facebook and join my Facebook group, One Bite at a Time. It's a safe place to talk about hard things, and I would love to have you there as well. Also, follow me on social media. If you're not following me on social media, I am active on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, and I'm not as active in my Facebook group as I would like to be, but I am active there from time to time. I definitely just created that for you guys to be able to kind of come together and talk and converse about things that are important to you, or things that you're going through, with people who have a like mind, and it be a safe and nurturing space for people who are transitioning into the weight loss surgery lifestyle. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Thank you so much for being here. You could have been anywhere else on this YouTube planet, and you chose to be here with me in my video. I love you guys so very much. Be good to each other, but most importantly, be good to yourself, and I will check you in the next video. Bye! Y'all, so I've made it to work, and I'm about to have breakfast, but I want to show you this dress that I'm really feeling it. How cute is this? How cute is this? Anyways, so I got to work, and we are going to be having breakfast. I eat different things, but I do have some bariatric pal cereal that I feel like I needed to get eaten. I feel like I've had it for a while, and I've eaten maybe half of the box. I need to go ahead and eat the rest of it. So this is what it comes like, and this is not a sponsored video. This is just me. I do have a coupon code that you can use, but that's not the here nor there. Ugh. So I have, it's a cocoa cereal, kind of like a chocolate Cheerio. Let me show you guys. So that's what it looks like, and that's what they look like. I looked at the macros on this. For one pack, which is 30 grams, it has 114 calories, 8 carbohydrates, and 15 grams of protein. And it is so good, like for real. So I'm gonna be having a bowl of that with some low lactose free milk. I will say that here in the past 6 months, I have kind of like started to have like issues with dairy. As you guys know, early on in my surgery, like I ate cottage cheese every day. I ate cheese. And now certain dairy products upset my stomach, and I'm just like mind blown at that, and it kind of hurts my feelings. Do you guys do this? I put ice in my milk because I need it to be extra cold. But and I like a lot of milk in my cereal. So for what you get in that pack, it's a really good amount, and I may or may not be able to eat all of this. I don't know. But if you guys are interested, check it out, try it. It has a really good flavor. It kind of reminds me of like a mixture between Cocoa Puffs and Cheerios, because it's not too sweet and it's not too chocolatey. It's like right in the perfect balance. Good flavor, good crunch, and you get that chocolatey milk. But I mean, can I drink it? Is it normal? I mean, I'm eating cereal, but we're not supposed to drink and eat at the same time. I don't know. Whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and finish breakfast, and I'll be back when I have a snack. I forgot to mention the calorie count for this meal. With the lactose-free milk, I have about 1/4 of a cup. It was 52 calories and 5 carbs, 3 grams of protein. So the total for this meal is 166 calories and 13 carbs. Okay, so it's around 11. I typically have my coffee a little bit earlier than this, but I've been very busy today. So I have 2 espresso shots here that I put over ice. I transport them here in my mason jar, but it has to be cold. So this is just heavy whipping cream with a little bit of sugar-free vanilla syrup in it. And then I have some sugar-free caramel at my desk. So yeah, someone asked me, I think the last time, what kind of job I had where I could have make like a full gourmet breakfast here. The best job ever. We're actually getting ready to go remote here soon. Kind of worried about that, but I mean, you know, it'll be fun. So I'm gonna go to my desk and I'm gonna show you guys how I whip it up. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. Like I said, it's a little bit late. I typically have my coffee around 9, maybe 9:30 at the latest, because I eat breakfast around 8. But yeah, we're gonna go and I'll tell you the calories with this as well. I'll be right back, or you'll see me here in just a second. And we're back. We're here at my office, or at my desk. Okay, so as I said, this is heavy whipping cream, and I just take my little blender thing here and I'm gonna whip it up. But before I do, I put in just a little bit of sugar-free caramel syrup, about a teaspoon, because I don't want to just hype up my calories, because 2 tablespoons is a serving at 90 calories, so I do about 1 teaspoon, and I'm just gonna whip this up a little bit. I got this from Bariatric Power as well. This one is really, really good. It's really powerful. A lot of times, some of the little handheld blenders aren't real powerful, but this one is really good, and it works good on blending of like protein shakes that you have the protein powder. Okay, so I've whipped that up, and it's kind of doubled in size. And so I just pour in my espresso, and that is my coffee. Let me grab a straw. Sometimes if I'm feeling froggy, I'll put a little bit of extra caramel in there. I'm not really wanting it today. Oh yeah, good. Alright, so the calories for my coffee are going to be 105 calories, 7 carbs, and 1 gram of protein. Not the highest on the protein list, but I think it's nice to have something that we love and want, and you know, But anyways, I'm gonna drink my coffee. I'll probably catch up with you guys around lunchtime. I'm kind of off as well as how time goes. I typically have a snack around 11, but I'm having coffee around 11, so that tells you how far I am behind. So I will see you guys around lunchtime. Bye. Oh, and another thing. So my calories for today are so far 271, and I'm going for 1200 today. So yeah, we'll see where we are around lunchtime. So with breakfast and my decadent coffee, I'm only at 271 calories. Pretty good if you ask me. Oh, it is 1:43. I finished my coffee for the most part, and so now I'm gonna have a snack. I am absolutely addicted to mini cucumbers. I literally just make some homemade ranch dip. I eat them every day. Every day in some form. So I haven't had lunch yet. I've been super slammed, so I did have a moment of weakness when I made some tahini gummy worms. They are sugar-free gummy worms, but still not within my calorie range. So eating a couple of those is going to probably put me over or use up the rest that I had. But sometimes we have to treat ourselves, right? Along with that coffee I had, but I doubt I'll eat all 3 of these right now. Probably one. They are so good. Like, I have some tahini right here, or chamoy. It's a tahini chamoy. I love it. It says it's a fruity chamoy hot sauce. I put it on everything, but this is my snack right now. Just wanted to check in with y'all and let you know what I was eating, give you an update. I get off at 5, so I don't know if I'll eat my lunch. It just depends. I may go straight home for dinner. I guess we'll get there when we get there. See you in a minute. Alright y'all, so I've made it home. I didn't show me eating my lettuce today. I was so busy. I just didn't have time. But I am going to show you what I'm eating for dinner. I don't know the calorie count on this. But I'll probably do a rough estimate and put it somewhere here when I'm editing. But I made white chicken chili for dinner. Let me show you guys. So this is the chili. Got a little bit of sour cream and some avocado in there. I've had a long day. I'm gonna eat and go play PlayStation. But I'll catch up with you guys in the morning and I'll do my last meal for the 24 hours. Bye. Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday morning and we are good to go. Last night I was super tired when I made my last video clip. That's just how it happens. A lot of times I work myself to the point where I just don't have much to give. But anyways, a new day, another chance to get it right. I wanted to show you guys my last meal of this particular video. Of course, it is my bariatric pal cereal. Same thing. Just having it with some lactose-free milk, and then I'll have a coffee later on, so the calorie count will be about the same. I don't know the total calorie count right now for my day yesterday, but I am going to include that along with the tahini candy that I ate. I didn't eat anything else after dinner yesterday. I just literally went to bed. So, yeah, that should wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Just wanted to give you guys an in-depth, really truthful, really honest look at what I ate yesterday or what I'm eating at this point in my journey. I don't know if I'm necessarily eating for weight loss anymore. I do think that I'm just eating to be more healthy and to be more conscientious of my choices. I eat a lot of fruits and I eat a lot of vegetables a day. I don't think that I showed you guys these yesterday. These are cherry plums. I didn't eat any. I didn't get around to them. But I eat those as well, especially around this time of year because they become, I guess, available. They're not available year round. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys will subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys will have a wonderful day, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. I love you guys so much. You could have been anywhere else, but you chose to be here with me. Be good to each other, but most importantly, be good to yourselves. I will see you later. Bye.